Hello students, today we are going to study here methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. Now that is the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids from Grignard reagent and solid CO2. Solid CO2, that is also known as dry ice. This method is also known as carbonation of Grignard reagent. In this method, Grignard reagent reacts with solid CO2 or dry ice in the presence of dry ether that acts as solvent to give an intermediate unstable product that is known as Mg complex, that is also known as adduct, which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. First of all, we will see a general reaction. Here formula of CO2 C double bond O, C double bond O. Structural formula of carbon dioxide is like this. It reacts with the Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium RMgX. That is the general formula of Grignard reagent. It reacts with Grignard reagent reacts with the CO2, that is dry ice, or it is also known as solid CO2 or dry ice. Here now Grignard reagent reacts with this CO2. Here double bond is present in between this carbon and oxygen atom. Out of these two bonds, one of the bond breaks here, and this alkyl group or carbon containing group, it is always attached to this carbon atom, and that remaining part MgX, it is attached to this oxygen atom. It is an example of addition reaction here. In the first step here, R C double bond O, and here now this alkyl group, it is attached to this carbon atom. This C double bond O group, that remains as it is. Here C single bond O, and this MgX, it is known as magnesium complex. Now this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis, addition of water molecule in the presence of dilute HCl, it gives addition of water molecule takes place like this. Here the bond between this O and Mg breaks here. Hydrogen goes to this oxygen atom, and this OH group, it is attached to this magnesium metal, and we will get here the structure like this: R C double bond O H plus MgOHX. It is carboxylic acid. General formula of carboxylic acid is RC double bond O. In this way, we can convert dry ice by using that Grignard reagent into this carboxylic acids. The drawback of this method is that by using this method we cannot prepare formic acid that contains only one carbon atom. That acid contains one carbon atom. We cannot prepare that formic acid. Now, for example, I have taken here 2-3 examples here. Then another example is like this: when this CO2 is treated with Grignard reagent like methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether, it is a solvent. It reacts with this, it is dry ice or solid CO2 reacts with this CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, and it gives magnesium complex. Again here the bond, out of these two bonds, one of the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks here. This CH3 group, it is attached to this carbon atom. This remaining part, it is attached to this oxygen atom. Here C double bond O, one of the bond of this carbon becomes vacant here, and one of the bond of this oxygen also becomes vacant here, and it is attached to this MgBr, and here is CH3. This compound on acid hydrolysis or hydrolysis in the presence of dilute HCl, addition of water molecule in the presence of dilute HCl, it gives acetic acid CH3COOH plus MgOHX. It is unstable, it is intermediate compound, or it is magnesium complex. In this way we can prepare acetic acid by using this method. I have taken here the same examples here: CO2 plus CH3MgBr Mg complex, and on acid hydrolysis use acetic acid. Here I have taken one more example. By using this method we can prepare aromatic acid also. For that purpose we have to take here phenyl magnesium bromide, CO2, dry ice that remains as it is. We have to take here Grignard reagent like phenyl magnesium bromide. Here again the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks here. The C6H5 phenyl group is attached to this carbon atom. C6H5 C double bond OMGBr, that is Mg complex formation takes place, and that on acid hydrolysis gives C6H5COOH, that is benzoic acid. Where formic acid cannot be prepared by this method. It is regarding about the preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent and solid CO2, that is dry ice. Now here preparation of, there are some methods which are used only for the preparation of aromatic acid, that is preparation of benzoic acid particularly. Here from alkyl benzene, by oxidation of alkyl benzene. Here aromatic carboxylic acids means benzoic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alkyl benzene by using oxidizing agents like dilute HNO3, alkaline KMnO4, or acidified KMnO4, or chromic acid or chromic anhydride, that is CrO3. Entire in this here now, if substituent contains one alkyl group, one methyl group, or methyl group, or an alkyl group containing one carbon atom or more than one carbon atom, that the entire alkyl chain is oxidized to carboxylic acid or carboxylic group. That we have to remember here. Now here for example, when alkyl benzene means, here suppose we are taking an example like this, methyl benzene, CH3, it is example of alkyl group. Methyl benzene, it is also known as toluene. When this toluene is oxidized by using alkaline potassium permanganate, alkaline KMnO4. Here now, where in this presence of KMnO4 and alkaline KMnO4, this CH3 group, it is oxidized to COH group. But here that COH group again reacts with this base, and formation of such type of the intermediate, that is salt of acid formation takes place here. Here COOK. There is no need to write the balanced reactions. Here COOK, it is a potassium salt of benzoic acid, or it is known as potassium benzoate. Now this on acid hydrolysis again. Hydrolysis means addition of water in the presence of acid. We can write like this, H3O plus also. H2O means addition of H2O in the presence of acid means H plus. Together we can write like this, H3O plus. And this potassium benzoate on acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. This potassium atom, it is replaced by H hydrogen atom, and here we will get here benzoic ॲसिड. यावर्षी आपल्या पुस्तकामध्ये अशा बॅलन्स्ड रिॲक्शन्स दिलेल्या नाही, डायरेक्ट अशा रिॲक्शन्स दिलेल्या आहेत. आपण अशा लिहिल्या तरीही चालतं. देन इट इज इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट देर इज डू यू नो असं तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये बॉक्स दिलं, त्यामध्ये हे एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे. वेन इथिल बेंजिन such type of the reaction is given like this, CH3 C6H5 CH2 CH3. Here oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4, and such type of the question mark is given there. डू यू नो असा एक बॉक्स दिलेला आहे तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये, त्याच्यामध्ये या पद्धतीचा क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे. अगेन हिअर ही चेन कितीही जरी लांब असेल ते सगळं यातला एक पहिला जो कार्बन हा ब्रेक होईल इथून, आणि हा जो कार्बन आहे इट इज टू बी गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू benzoic acid like this C6H5. First of all, it is to be get converted into salt of acid COOK, plus again now this on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid COOH. It is benzoic acid. Now this CH3 group, it is to be get converted into formic acid, but there is no need to write the another product or byproduct. Here we can write the reactions like this. Then cumin on oxidation. Here one more example that is also given in our book, that is cumin isopropyl group HCH3 isopropyl benzene, or it is also known as cumin. When this cumin is oxidized by using alkaline KMnO4, it gives again here potassium benzoate COOK. This on again on acid hydrolysis it gives benzoic acid COOH. It is benzoic acid. कोणत्याही कार्बनला तुम्ही हा ग्रुप अटॅच करू शकता. इथं त्या कार्बनला गेला तर चालतो, या कार्बनला. Now tertiary, if here now it is primary alkyl group attached to this benzene ring, here primary again, here it is secondary alkyl group is attached to this. If tertiary alkyl group is there, is attached to the benzene ring, that is to be not oxidized into carboxylic acid, because that group does not contain such type of the benzylic hydrogen atom. Therefore tertiary alkyl group is attached to this benzene ring. That type of the compounds, that type of the alkyl benzenes are not oxidized into benzoic acids. Now it is regarding about this second preparation of aromatic carboxylic acids from alkyl benzene. We can convert toluene, ethyl benzene, isopropyl cumin. ही चेन कार्बनची किती मोठी आहे त्याच्याशी काही आपल्याला फारसा संबंध नाही आहे. इट इज टू बी गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू benzoic acid. Direct benzoic acid मध्ये convert होईल. And then another method for the preparation of acids, that is by oxidation of alkenes. By oxidation of alkenes using acidified KMnO4. When alkenes can be oxidized to carboxylic acids by oxidizing agents like acidified KMnO4. Here now again here from alkenes, it is important. Alkenes means carbon double bond is there. C6H5 CH double bond CH2, or we can write the same structure like this: C6H5 CH double bond CH2. Here when this phenylethene, it is ethene, and this phenyl group is attached to this ethene, therefore the name of this compound is phenylethene, is oxidized by using acidified KMnO4. Here the bond, double bond between these two carbon, it breaks here, and this carbon atom, it is to be get converted into COOH group, and we will get here benzoic acid. In this way we can prepare benzoic acid from phenylethene. Such type of the reactions are given in our book. There is no need to write the balanced reactions, because that balanced reactions are not given in our book. Here again another example, it is cyclohexene. We can convert this cyclohexene here. It is cyclohexene. Again when the cyclohexene on oxidation by using acidified KMnO4, here the double bond between these two carbon, the bond between these two carbon, it breaks here, and it is to be get converted into such type of the compound COOH, and here is COOH 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is aliphatic dicarboxylic acid, and it contains 6 carbon atoms, and that is known as adipic acid, or it is also known as hexandoic acid. In this way we can convert this cyclohexene into adipic acid, or we can prepare adipic acid from this cyclohexene. With this we have completed the methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. We stop here. Thank you.